Alright, just enough time to get to the parts store. Cool. Wait a minute. Wait, what the? Is that a check engine light? Oh man. Now I gotta dig out the scan tool. Wait a minute. No, I don't. This isn't an OBD2 car, it's an OBD1. You know what that means? That means I can use my paperclip. Cool. Alright. I'll have you off in no time. Alright, hello people, and welcome to episode 6 of Jessica's 2-Car Garage. Today, check engine lights on 80, roughly 80 to 95 General Motors vehicles, and why you don't have to worry about hopelessly digging out your scan tool. You can see mine's hopelessly buried. So I gave my car a check engine light to show you guys this. So to figure out what that's for, you will need a paperclip, a notepad and paper, your favorite beverage, and eventually some sort of book. When you take said paperclip, and you can put your kids on this, this is a really good activity for them, you're going to bend it so it looks like this. The washer is so I can keep it on my keychain because it's a really handy place to have it. Okay? So, we're going to go underneath the dashboard of the Buick. And we are going to find B and A right here. These guys on the terminal for the OBD1 connector. Alright, let's head out. Okay, so that didn't go the way I expected it to. I put the paperclip of mine. I think I stuck it up. I put my paperclip in A and B terminal. Turn the key to on. Don't start the car. Turn the key to on. And, well, nothing happened. Check engine light's supposed to blink. Actually, it's supposed to blink once, pause, blink twice, pause, and then it'll blink code to you. When it's done with all the codes, it'll blink once and then blink twice again. I didn't get any of that. What I did get was I ended up getting a realization that if you twist the key too many times on and off, weird things happen. So, what do I mean by weird things? It wouldn't start afterwards. It seemed that twisting the key on and off caused the engine to fill with fuel. It's been that kind of day, guys. And completely fill with fuel, and then it would just click, 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 and I'd get a 1/4 inch of movement out of the belt each time. What I did was what's called clear flood. So you hop in the car and you push your foot all the way to the floor, and then you turn the key. By doing that, it tells the computer not to turn any fuel injectors on. Which cleared the flood out, cleared the extra fuel that was in the cylinders out. Fortunately, I have to change the oil soon anyway, so I'm not really worried about whether or not I'd doused the rings or anything and flooded the oil. That's going to get changed. If the battery won't charge, then I'll just yanked one from the El Camino, which I know works. Definite plus of having two with the same battery, right? Okay. So, I did use a trick with the climate control. Some Buick people might know. And I shut off the code I set by unplugging the mass airflow sensor. So, once the battery charges, it should be fine for me to go get my husband. If not, like I said, I'll grab the one out of the El Camino. Yeah, well, you know what I mean. That though, I'm gonna let that battery sit there and think about what it's done. And, order pizza and go out tonight. Alright, guys. Like and subscribe. I'm going to try and figure out why my check engine light won't blink. Because currently, something above my pay grade. I've never encountered it. I've always had it work. Alright. I'm wondering what the heck I've been up to. Table back here fell apart, so I've been completely redoing the backyard, which is why no videos have gone up. Alright guys, take care, subscribe, like. I've noticed 60% of you aren't subscribed. Maybe even more. Take care.